discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here first?
Matthew Mitchell, and I just got 212 concrete audio C3s on a 3,000 watt TRAM.
Okay.
And I got a DS18 3400 body reflection on mid and high. Okay. It does about 140.
Alright. Did you build the box?
Yes, sir.
What? So is it a fourth order?
Yes, sir.
What is your tuning on it, you know?
35 and 36.
35 around there? Okay.
Right.
Looks really good. Is there a way I can see the back?
Yes, sir. You just have to pull that back handle.
Okay. Do you have an upgraded alternator?
No, sir.
Stock alternator? Okay. Nice. It's good. So where's your sub? Your baffle?
It starts about right here. The subs are lined right here.
Okay. Got it.
Like the baffle actually starts back here and it lines and then it comes out right here.
Okay, so your port's right there.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Very nice. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah, let me hear it.
from it. from it. With the ballpoint game finger roll. Ask me how to do it, I don't tell a single soul. Pretty women, what's up? Is your hair right now? You would stand up or is you in your chair right now? Do you hear me? I can't let a wet nigga get near me. I might kiss the baddest bitch you could dare me. I ain't never need a man to take care of me. Yo, I'm in that big boy, bitches can't rent this. Of course every day, but I ain't a dentist. Your whole style and approach I invented, and I ain't taking that back cause I meant it.
Nice. I like it, man. And you can hear every song, every lyric, every note. Really good bandwidth too. Instead of just ported, you have the band pass. So I like it. Nice job, man. Looks really good. Appreciate the demo, man. Sorry, it's hot.